The COVID-19 situation has been especially stressful for the Flat Earth Society. They fear that the social distancing measures will push people over the edge. You're welcome.
So we're looking at a piece of land today. It's a pretty big chunk, and it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, which is nice. We wanted to still have another big piece of land that we could build an off-grid camp at. We want it to be like our hunting spot and prepper spot. So we were able to secure a house, which is awesome, and we're super grateful for that. But we do still want to have that hunting and prepper spot with a bunch of land around it. Because it's just going to be our camp and not our house, we can actually build it a lot slower and a lot smaller, saving us a lot of money while lumber is still high and may continue to be high for a while. But at least if we can secure this chunk of land, if we end up loving it, and we can secure this chunk of land, we could really slowly, as we can afford to, build a small camp here, which would be really awesome just to have that place to go if everything falls apart, where we're ready, we're prepped, and it's totally off grid. So let's look at this chunk of land.
It is a scorcher.
It's super hot. Hence why my shirt is in my hand and not on my body. All this is just tiny. It'd be easy to wipe that out.
Yeah.
Make it like a driveway or something here.
Yeah, all this stuff here
nothing.
is just that's not even there in the spring.
Just bush.
Yeah.
So this is a good sign. Some nice big maple trees. Awesome.
More maples here. That's a good sign. We could, what we were thinking, like, cause we got that farmhouse that we'll be moving in like 3 weeks. But by securing this other property, we'll have a place to put the off-grid cabin, like she said. But then we may, in the spring, come here and do our the maple syrup and stuff. We're trying to find a place so we can have to do that too. What we want is to still have property that's fully self-sustaining, like say nobody saw last year coming, right? So in a worst case scenario, like SHTF kind of thing. And then if that don't happen, we still have our spot to that's a full hunting camp, a full place to do the syrup and all that. Now we're still first in line for the 100 acres across the street in the new place we're getting, so that's good. But we still wanted a place farther out for this too, so it doesn't hurt to have a little more property. They're not making more land, right? So that's the idea behind here. And we wanted a place that's going to be fully off grid. We're going to keep this one off grid too. This spot here feels like it could be a driveway easily.
Yeah, you could easily,
right?
I think, make this a driveway. It's like ready.
And it's kind of got like a little landing here.
Yeah. And then you could build the cabin in here.
Yeah.
Is that a maple right there, I think? Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, there's both maples right. There's a couple there.
There's maple. Just little.
There's some newer growth and some older growth. It's a nice mix.
You could just clear a bit around to make it a little more open right here where you're going to put the cabin.
Totally.
Just
but not too much, right? Keep it kind of... What's nice now is that we have our yard with the farmhouse and everything. This one here was kind of our hidden one.
Yeah.
Right?
Clear just like a bit back there and tell them to leave just the maples or something. But here would be a nice flat spot for the house.
Yeah.
For the cabin.
Totally.
looks like there's some trails through there. We spoke to the owner and he said there's lots of deer and moose. So that's good.
Yeah.
Good hunting grounds.
Which is always good. More hunting spots, the better.
Yeah. I got hot and took my shoes off. That wasn't smart. Now I'm in sandals, as per usual. Well, I'm boiling after walking down there. This is real nice. This runs parallel to the property. So that's a huge bonus.
Man, that's really nice.
Not deep at all. That's nice.
Be fun to walk this, and
Fish a little.
yeah, the water looks super clean.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This spot looks deeper.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for, a little hole.
You go
Yeah.
take a dip in that.
Yeah, you probably could.
Hey, it looks super clean.
If I had my bottoms on, I would.
Looks like
Real
you're gonna have to go naked. Just do the blur out, you know what I mean?
Blur my butt.
Yeah. So we're 3 weeks away
Yay!
from moving in, so that's been amazing. Can't
Yeah,
wait.
that's gonna be good.
Living in the camper, you know, it's obviously we lived in it much worse than now.
Yeah.
It's all hooked up and everything. We lived in it.
Fully off grid in the winter.
Yeah. Yeah, in Canada.
Yeah. So
That
this
was
is
brutal.
way better.
Yeah. But
We're looking forward to getting into a place anyway.
yeah. So another with this here, we may probably put our camper on it for a short period of time. Right?
Yeah, it would be easy.
That's what we're thinking anyways,
Yeah.
maybe.
Then while you build, you stay in it while you're like working here during
Yeah.
the day. So
We'd still be
make it easier.
obviously staying in our house. We have a lot of plans for that place.
Yeah.
So we'll
I don't know,
see.
it's a thought.
Right? Yeah. We really I'd love to get the cabin on the go pretty
Mm-hmm.
quickly, because the place there is pretty much good to go
Yeah, it doesn't
for
really
most
need
things,
anything.
right? But I mean, we say that, and then you know we could have. There is definitely stuff we want to do. So
Yeah.
like
The woodshed.
woodshed, a garage,
Yeah.
things like that. So there's things to do there. So it would depend on which one we decide to do first, I guess.
Yeah.
But I'd love to have the cabin up. But
Yeah.
we're just kind of saying it loud, but
We'll
you
see.
know,
Kind of have to
keep
make
you in
that-
the loop of all the things.
Yeah, we'll make that decision as we go once
Yeah.
we get into the house and if we buy the land. We really like it. We're thinking of putting an offer.
Yeah,
We just got to come up with, you know, what it is we'd want to pay for it and kind of go with there.
yeah, we're able to pay for it. all
Yes,
that.
exactly.
So just make sure everything balances properly.
Yeah,
But we'll keep you in the loop on it. That's for sure.
yeah, we'll let you know. We need to go talk.
Yeah. Right now we need coffee.
Coffee, and he probably needs something to eat as per usual. And then
I
talk.
like eating.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right.
we'll let you know.
All right. Let's get rolling. I don't get any coffee in the woods.
No. Race car driver. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, feel that Toyota power.